Happy day, children. In the previous section, I explained how to construct 60 degree, 120 degree, 30 degree and 90 degree using compass. In this session, I would like to explain how to construct 45 degree using compass. We already know how to construct 60, 120, how to bisect and get 90 and 30 degree. Here, 45 degree can be achieved by bisecting 90 degree. I like to say 45 degree can be achieved with the help of bisecting 90 degree. So to start with the construction, the material required are A4 sheet or unruled sheet, scale for drawing the rays and joining the lines, compass for constructing the angle, protractor only for checking purpose, pencil for construction. Yes, we will start with the construction. We are going to construct 45 degree with the pair of compass. So I told you the 45 degree can be achieved. Your 45 degree can be achieved by bisecting 90 degree. By bisecting 90 degree. We know how to construct 90 degree with the help of compass. Let's start constructing it. So to start the construction, we have to draw a ray. We have to draw a ray with any centimeter. Yes. So the starting point of the ray can be marked as O, that is origin. The other end, which is a continuous process, so I am just going to mark it as an arrow as A. So with this help of ray, we are going to start the construction. So next step, take a compass, take a convenient radius to construct an arc. Take a convenient radius and keep the fixed point of the compass on the origin O. Keep the fixed point of the compass on the origin O, and I am just going to take a convenient radius. I am going to take an arc. I am going to draw an arc which is touching your ray. Again, I am just going to mark this point as B. The point, the arc which is touching your line, I am just going to mark it as B. Without changing your radius, I am going to keep my fixed point of the compass on B. I am going to draw an arc. We know this arc will give us 60 degree. I have to construct 90 degree. This 90 degree can be achieved by bisecting 60 and 120 degree. So first step, we have arrived 60 degree. Next step, we have to reach 120 degree. For that purpose, I am not going to disturb the compass. I am going to keep the fixed point of the compass on 60 degree. And I am going to cut an arc in the same arc. And this will produce D as 120 degree. D as 120 degree. If I bisect 60 and 120 degree, we can come to a conclusion of 90 degree. We can come to a solution of 90 degree. For bisecting, we know we have to take more than half radius. We have to take more than half radius of 60 and 120 here. This is 60 degree. This is 120 degree. I am just going to take more than half radius and I am going to construct 90 degree with the help of 60 degree and 120 degree. For that, I have kept the fixed points of the compass at C and drawn arc, and without changing the radius, I am going to keep it on D and drawn arc. Now I got a fresh intermediate position which I am going to mark it as E, and this will give me 90 degree. This will produce 90 degree. I am going to join this point and this point which gives me 90 degree. Yes, but my question is to construct 45 degree using the pair of compass. So I have arrived to the solution of 90 degree. I know if I bisect the given angle, I can achieve. If I bisect 90 degree, I can achieve 45 degree. So now I am going to apply the concept of bisecting an angle. To bisecting an angle, we know we have to measure. We have to measure the point in this base and this point. Yes, the 90 degree point. So I am going to just measure this point. Yes, I am just going to take more than half of this. I am going to take more than half of your baseline as well as your 90 degree. I am repeating the point. I am going to measure more than half of B and G, your baseline and your 90 degree. I am going to take more than half of this. I am going to draw an arc from B and from G. The point on origin and the point at 90 degree. I am going to mark an arc. So I am going to mark this as H. Now I am going to join the origin as well as the point H. And now I will say we have arrived to the solution of constructing 45 degree with the help of compass. I like to extend this ray for our checking purpose. So I am going to check whether we have arrived to 45 degree. I am going to check with the help of protractor. So this is the origin of the protractor. This is the origin of the protractor. I am going to place the origin of the protractor in the origin of my ray. I am going to adjust the baseline on the given ray, and we can easily see we have constructed perfectly 45 degree. This line perfectly 45 degree with the help of compass. So I think so this section will give you a clear view how to construct 45 degree with the help of compass. So now your angle AOI is equal to 45 degree. We have arrived 45 degree with the help of compass by bisecting your 90 degree. Thank you.